Well, guys, it is time for the big reveal. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. I haven't been on, and I apologize for that. So, as many of you know that you're jumping in, I'm not gonna hold it up. My name is Patrice, Life and with Patty. If you're watching me for the first time, welcome. Like, comment, subscribe down below. I am showing you a tour of my actual house. So this is not like my first video where you saw the model houses and the inventory home that I walked into. This one here is actually my home. Now, I know I promised you guys a home tour. It is a method behind my madness why I have not shown you my home tour yet. I am going to get to that. Right now, today, what we're gonna be doing, I'm gonna start with my DIY project for the top floor. So we are standing, as you can see from my background, because I know a lot of people is nosy, you don't see the background. Let me stop. No, but this is my second floor, as you can tell. I'm standing over the second floor. My staircase is a winding staircase going down that way. And this is the media room. So this is actually where we'll be working today, in the media room. Joe is over there. Say hi, Joe, to the vlog.
What's up?
So
What's happening?
what we're gonna be doing today is picking a paint color to put on the wall. As you can see, he's taping the walls up, right? And so what we're gonna be doing is putting a paint color on the wall, and we're trying to decide what the paint color is gonna be. So I'm gonna flip my camera around so you guys can see a better view of what I'm talking about. So as you come up the stairs here, as you know, I have a winding staircase. This is what my second floor looks like. Now, there is a method behind the madness why I'm starting my vlog from here. This is the first room that we're actually working on since we've moved, and we're not settled quite yet. So obviously, I'm gonna just jump into it. This right here is one of my daughter's bedrooms. And I'm gonna come in further. This is the room that we're gonna be vlogging about today. This is the game room. So Joe is taping everything up nicely so that we can paint. That's another hallway with more rooms for my girls. So all my girls are on the same floor. So this is technically like their apartment because this is the floor that has everything for them. There is no need for my husband or I to be up here because our room is downstairs on the main floor. And the only thing we will be coming up here for really is if we want to hang out with them and go into that room, which we're gonna get to. So this right here is the game room. We are trying to debate what color we need to put on the wall. We picked a color, but we haven't quite decided yet if that's gonna be the color. So this right here is the wall, and you guys have to figure out what color we're making the wall, right? That's what you have to guess. So comment below what color we're making the wall. All right, so this room right here where Joe is, if Joe can come out of my lens, this room right here, let's open it up and see what's inside. Don't judge me, it's a little bit messy in here. But this right here is the media room. The media room, movie room. So as you can see from the rug on the floor, it's the movie room. So I don't know quite what color it is, and we'll get into that, but this is the movie room. And we're trying to debate what we're gonna do with these doors. But please comment below and let me know what color we need to paint this area. This is the girls' room. This is their game room. This is the hangout spot. I don't want to be recording in my neighbor's house, but yeah, this is the hangout spot. So We're gonna get rugs up here, couches, all kinds of game themes on the wall. So the TV, we're gonna get the big TV to put on the wall for them. This is gonna end up turning into the girls' hangout room, PlayStation 5 room, darts, all that fun stuff. Gaming, this will be the gaming area right here. So they'll do their gaming and stuff. We'll have the desk with their computer and the lights. And I don't want to give away too much information because I really want you guys to see the finished product later on, to see what we transform this space into and see where our creativity takes us. But I love to get people's ideas on what we should do. And I'm so excited because I cannot wait for you guys to see what we have planned for this ceiling. Yes, the ceiling. I cannot wait for you guys to see what we have planned for that. But this is the space, and I'm taking all comments and reading them. Good comments, bad comments, whatever it is that you may have to say. Please comment below and let me know what you think. What do you think about the space? What do you think we should do with the space? Like I said, it's a game room. This is not a living room area, nothing like that. We are gonna have a couch here for them to hang out on. But it's a game room. So that's the theme. Everything's gonna be game related. And like I said, in here, which we're about to go inside of right now, this is going to be Joe's Haven, the movie theater room. And so we have other plans for this room. So let me know, what do you guys? Welcome back. We have officially finished painting the game room, and I cannot wait to reveal what it actually looks like. So before I even do that, if you're still watching, once again, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a full-on home tour of this house once it's done, but we're working in pieces here. So if you're into like me, if you're into homes and watching all of that, renovations and DIYs, this is the channel. Join, click, comment, like, subscribe. Now, straight to the point. If you commented down below the color that you thought that I was gonna paint the media room / movie rooms, well, actually no, correction. If you commented the color that I'm gonna paint my game room and you get it correct in the comments, kudos to you. But I'm gonna show you guys the big reveal. Get ready, because I love it. Ta-da! So, as you remember, come up the stairs, right? And let's head on over to the game area. It's nighttime, so the house is kind of dark. But if you guessed black, you are absolutely right. I painted it in black. So this right now, guys, is the big reveal. This is what we did. Tell me what you guys think. What do you guys think of the color? Now, it is a vision. Like I said, there is a lot more to come. There is a lot more that we're going to be doing to this room. So don't for a minute think that because you're seeing this is where it ends. I have so much more in store that I really want you guys to see, that I have planned for this room. So that, the curtains over there, that's gonna change. I'm putting something else over there. It's gonna be, okay, I'll give you a sneak hint. It's gonna be velvet, of course, like I mentioned before, but it's gonna be a velvet blue curtain. So that's what we're gonna do over there. In here is gonna be a game room. So it's gonna be a lot more going on. Pay attention to the ceiling because something big is coming right here. I'm doing something big right here. I'm still working on the project for that. But yeah, this is how my walls came out. So I did this nice black, and I was not brave at first with doing it. I thought it was gonna be too much, but honestly, I think it accented this space really nice. And I know that once I add the other finishing touches to it, it's gonna look grand up here. And I cannot wait, I'm so excited. So that picture is on the wall right there. In this area is gonna be our gaming area. So we're gonna have like the gaming setup right there. But the reason why we kept that picture on the wall is our first picture for our game room. And outside of that, it's just a theme. So you guys are seeing, we're gonna have all these colors that you're seeing on that picture incorporated into this room. So it's gonna look really fly when it's done, y'all. But what do y'all think? Comment below, let me know. What do you think? How do you like it? How you don't like it? Let me know. Put it in the comments. But yeah, this is the game room. And then the theater room is still there. I moved the rug out because, like I said, I don't want to do this rug anymore. I have another rug that's coming that I'm going to be putting down here. But yeah. Stay tuned, guys, because I have so much in store for y'all to see in the beauty of this room that's going to come to life. So, yep. So if you like what you saw with my game room, I want you guys to comment in the comments below and let me know what you think. Because, guys, I'm growing a family here. You know, I'm getting to know you guys. You guys are getting to know me. Some of you guys already know me. But yeah, I'm giving you guys a look into my life and what I got going on. And I think this is going to be fun. This is an exciting experience for me. So, you know, I know a little something or two about decorating and interior design, and so I'm trying to put my skills to the test. But you guys are definitely gonna see how much that I have done to really make this space homey and make it mine. And like I said, I'm getting all the painting and all of that out the way so that by the time we're ready to bring the furniture and all of that in here, all of the main stuff is already done. We don't have to work around it. And so that's my goal, right? So like I said, you guys are gonna get to see the entire home tour, but for right now, we're doing it in pieces and it's gonna be exciting. So comment below, let me know, what do you wanna see next? Any questions that you guys may have, you can comment. I will answer, I will do a Q&A, you know. My channel is very early, as you can see, and I would like for you guys to join my channel and subscribe. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. And I look forward to doing more videos, more content, and seeing you guys more in the future. Love you guys. See you later. Peace.